Hello guys, so I just wanted to go over this anemia chart so that there's not any confusion to the people that I sent it to. The first part is the green boxes, and these have to do with your MCVs. These are the major divisions: your microcytic hyperchromic, normocytic normochromic, and your macrocytics. In the pink circles, these are the different tests that you may run under each, and the blue boxes indicate the results of the tests. And down in the purple boxes, these are your big anemia groups. So an example would be if she suggested that you had an MCV of 80 and you checked your serum iron and that came out to be low, you would then check your ferritin, and if that was low as well, then you would have your iron deficiency anemia. I've taken some of the pictures out of the slides that we have done in class and attached them to the ones that I thought were most prominent. These red boxes are notes that I've made if they may not usually be seen. Like in the abnormal hemoglobin, it's usually in the normocytic normochromic area. And the gray boxes are notes that I have made either in class or at another time from just making the initial chart. These kind of yellowed color areas are the key points of each. So these are the things that I pulled out of the notes that I found would be the biggest hints towards each of the diagnoses. At the very bottom of the page, I have a lot of the notes for anemia that I've pulled out, and this includes a lot of the lab notes as well, like the MCV calculations and all of that, and your flags. So you might want to take a look out of those, and I put some keywords and definitions here as well. She mentioned that the osmotic fragility might be on there, so I know that we had a question, or maybe two questions on a quiz and a test about that, so I stuck that chart on there as well. This box has to do with more notes, and sometimes I'll put a note as in this note to C number 1 at the bottom of the page. So these are in correlation to color, and it'll tell you everything that should have been up there, but I did not put it up there because there wouldn't have been enough room. Your hemoglobin electrophoresis are also on here. And over here we have all of the thalassemia information. I didn't want to put it on the actual chart, I just put that it would be a thalassemia because there's so much information that go along with the thalassemias. So over here you have all of the major thalassemia groups kind of picked apart and taken the major pieces out of it to help you recognize each on the lab exam. And I have this as well that may help you to remember thalassemias that I did not put on the graph, but you have FAL, and T is for target cells, H is for Algol bodies, A is for enzeocytosis, and L is for low MCV. So I hope this helps you guys out, and that you will do well tomorrow.